Now session discuss P block element 1 and 2, unit 2 and unit 3 importance. So two lessons in printed to your book, unit 2 and unit 3, P block elements 1 and 2. So P block families: boron, carbon family, nitrogen family and oxygen family, halogen family, inert gases of families. So boron 2 inert gases, every group elements and how to the preparation and properties, uses and daily life apply to the importance of P block elements, and subdivision of boron family and carbon family in P block elements 1 unit 2 lessons. Another nitrogen 2 inert gases, nitrogen 2 inert gases in P block elements 2. Now the boron group is also important. Boron family discuss the like that the boron properties and uses. Next will be borax. So borax is the sodium tetraboric acid. His common name is the borax. So preparation, properties, uses discuss. Same like that the others. So boric acid. So uses also know yourself. So H3BO3 short form and BOH thrice is the boric acid, and structure, properties, preparation, uses will be discussed in depth, and important diboron structure, properties, physical properties and chemical properties, preparation will be discussed, and uses very important. So boron trifluoride and ammonium chloride, same like that the preparation, properties is also discussed. Carbon family: carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, silicon tetrachloride and silicones, preparation, properties, uses discussed, and most important zeolite crystal discussed. So important of P block 1 elements: preparations of borax, boric acid preparation and boric acid structure and uses, diboron preparation and uses, structures, and like that zeolite crystals, preparation, uses. And last one important, silicones, type of silicones, properties, structures and uses, importance. This is a P block 1 element importance. P block 2 elements: nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen families, inert gases families. Group number 18. So preparations of nitrogen, ammonia, nitric acid, phosphine, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride. So most of preparation, structure, uses will be discussed. Next oxygen family, oxygen preparation, sulfur dioxide preparation, sulfuric acid preparation. Next halogen group, chlorine preparation and uses, hydrochloric acid preparation, interhalogens uses, interhalogen oxides uses. Next last one, group number 18, physical properties and chemical properties and uses will be discussed for helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon will be physical and chemical properties, and uses also very important of inert gases. So this is a P block elements most important: preparations of ammonia, preparations phosphine and structures, phosphorus trichloride, pentachloride, structure and uses, preparation, importance. Oxygen group, sulfuric acid preparation important. Halogen group, hydrochloric acid preparation with inert halogens. Halogen groups all are uses, importance. So we will be started the lesson, students. P block elements 1 will be outermost subcell configuration, and most of already 11th standard studied. So now only slightly discuss P block elements 1. So P block elements 1, so discuss most of properties we have well learned from SPDF rule for 11th standard session. So P block in placed on the 13th group to 18th group in modern periodic table, 13th group to 18th group. So group members is also boron, family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogens family, inert gases family is like that. Various elements properties, metal, non-metal, gaseous, metalloids in non-metal of elements is also present in the p block elements group. Our daily day-to-day life, daily life will be used. Example like that, the respiration oxygen, molecular oxygen, cannot imagine to the survival in living system. Abundant metals of aluminum from the alloys, household utensils, parts of aircraft, most of important uses. Silicon, germanium is also important. Modern electronics, example digital computers. And first three group 13 to 15 p block elements, namely boron, carbon, nitrogen will be like that. Other group number 16, group number 17, group number 18, another one. Example group number 16 chalcogen, oxygen family, and fluorine, halogen families. 18th inert gases families. So general properties, electronic configuration, size, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, all are most of discussed for 11th standard. So now we'll slightly discuss electronic configuration, ns2 np 1 to 6 electrons filled configuration. So group number 18 completely filled p orbital, most stable, least reactivity. So s block elements with the slow show only positive oxidation state, and p block elements show negative oxidation state also. So compared to that, two s block elements, p block elements. So s block element most electropositive elements, p block elements most electronegativity elements. So negative oxidation state also. Halogens have the strong tendency gain of electrons and stable halide ions. Completely filled electronic configurations of inert gases, in one electrons will be gained. Completely filled common halogens groups. So being like that, nitrogens, nitrogen groups, have chalcogen, oxygen groups is the negative oxidation state. So general configuration, icosagen groups, group number 13 is the boron groups, and tetragen will be carbon. Outermost valence of cell 4 means ns2 np2 is the 4 electrons loss property is the tetragen groups. Nitrogen groups is also 5, outermost valence of 5. Chalcogen is the ns2 np6 halogen groups and inert gases groups. So oxidation state plus 3, outermost valence of cell electrons 3. Example boron 1s2 2s2 2p3, outermost is also 2p3 is a plus 3 oxidation state, plus 4 5, and last one plus 8 oxidation state. So others observed oxidation state means, example icosagen plus 1 oxidation state, tetragen plus 2 and minus 4 electrons will be gained. Or sometimes inert gases discuss plus 6 oxidation state, plus 4 plus 2 like that. So metallic natures, cations will be losing electrons. Electropositive metallic characters is the ionization energy. Ionization energy will be decreased, the metallic character increasing. Next we will be discuss the group number 14 metallic character except first element boron, which is a metalloids. So intermediate between the metal is non-metals. Atomic radius of boron very small relative to a high nuclear charge, non-metallic character. So group number 14 carbon is non-metal, silicon and germanium is metalloids. So what is meant by metalloids? Metal behavior with gaseous behaviors, and its name is called metalloids. So group number 15 nitrogen and phosphorus is non-metal, arsenic antimony is a metalloids. Group number 16 oxygen and sulfur, selenium is non-metal, tellurium is a metalloids. Group number 17 and 18 all are non-metals. So most of gaseous elements. So ionization enthalpy, move to the down group, stay to the decreasing ionization energy, increasing their atomic radius. So group number 13 boron to aluminum, in the group number 13 ionization enthalpy decrease is accepted. So aluminum to thallium. So marginal differences in the aluminum to thallium, poor shielding effect in p electrons. So effective nuclear charge in valence of electrons increases. Group number 15 to 18, ionization energy enthalpy decreases, move to the down group. Poor shielding effect of d and f electrons, increasing of shielding effect, addition of p electrons, p orbital electrons. So electronegativity will be discussed. So move to the down group, 13th group. Electronegativity first will be decrease, boron to aluminum, increasing the gallium. Boron to aluminum will be electronegativity decrease, but compared to the gallium, increasing the electronegativity. So smaller absorb the 14 group, moved down, electronegativity decreases is order wise. So anomalous properties, small size of the first member and the high ionization enthalpy, high electronegativity in the groups. So group number 13, boron is the metalloids reactive to metal. Boron is the diagonal relationship, is the 11th standard studied for boron to silicon. Diagonal relationship will be like that, studied well. And next discuss group number 14, non-metals is like that. The silicon and germanium is used as the metalloids function, and metals is tin and lead. Will be compared to the multiple bond is such as the carbon double bond carbon, carbon double bond carbon. The carbon has greater the tendency of chain of the bond is called catenation. Very important question is the catenation of carbon, decreasing of catenation properties in the carbon families. So order wise. And next group number 15 like that, the carbon like nitrogen is the multiple bond, same like that, but others is a unlike of the multiple bonds. Like example like that, the group number 16 is consider oxygen high electronegativity of from the hydrogen bonds. Group number 17, most electronegativity elements. So already known, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like that. Inert pair effect. What is meant by inert pair effect? S orbitals in insert of the p orbitals, like that. So this is a inert orbital. This is alkaline metal oxidation state +1 and +2. Heavier post transition elements belongs to group number 13 to 16, most stable oxidation state. Compare is the increasing of tendency, +1 oxidation state rather than +3 oxidation state. Example, aluminium 3+ is more stable compared than aluminium +1 oxidation state. Compared to the thallium, +1 is more stable, thallium +3 is unstable is compared to that aluminium with thallium. So aluminium 3+ is more stable, here thallium +1 oxidation state is more stable. Is a important, is a inert pair effect. So allotropism of the p block elements. So what is the allotropism? Some elements exist more crystalline molecular form, some physical state is variations. Example like that, carbon, diamond, graphite also, etc. is like that allotropism. So boron family allotropisms is in amorphous borons, rhombohedral borons, the different type. Carbon like the diamond, graphite, graphene, fullerene, carbon nanotubes is the most important. Silicons, further amorphous silicons, crystalline silicons is like that, the germanium, tin, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium is the most of allotropism in that behaviors. So different activities, different shapes, different physical chemical properties in the same atom is called allotropism. Is the molecular form or crystal form, same physical state compared to the exist more than crystal form and molecular form. So now discuss the boron family. Is the boron is the important is borax is important is the calaminite ore, and kernite is into the water molecules is like that. The metal aqueous is the aluminosilicate rocks is found in the bauxites is like that. The boron, aluminium. To importance of boron families, and now discuss of the boron. So boron families is properties: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. So boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. So most important outermost configuration is the will be first right helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon students, and next you will be right 2s 2p, 3s 3p, 3d 4s 4p, 4d 5s 5p. So 4f 5d 6s 6p will be right students. So s orbital fully completely 2 2 enter, and p orbital is 1 1 1 1 partially filled. 2px1, 3px1, 4px1, 5px1, 6px1 is the outermost configuration, very important for exam. Next discuss of the chemical properties like that borons. So examination point is the p block elements. Boron will be there discussed. So react with concept is easily examination point of any question will be asked. So easy method. So most important like that the part will be discussed now. So boron react with metals. Compared to that, many metals except alkali metals, boron do not react. Other metal form of the borides. Very important point students. Alkali metal do not react with boron. It's a very important point. So general other metal will be form of metal borides. So metal will be X, borides is a Y. So example metal like that the chromium, boron will be N time to give the above 500 degree Celsius Kelvin to give metal borides will be formed. Reduction of boron trichloride. So boron trichloride with metal gives metal borides. How to the reduction? Any one metal react with boron trichloride, so reduction. So boron trichloride with tungsten gives 1500 degree Kelvin. So involve of hydrogens. So tungsten borides with chlorine gas evolve form hydrogen chloride gas, hydrogen chloride liquid. So tungsten borides is also give form hydrides. So very important point, simplest boranes is like that diboranes B2H6. So with how to the prepare diboranes, boron trifluoride with metal hydride. So metal hydride is the alkali metal hydrides around the 450 kelvins, do not react with boron with alkali metal. So form of boron diboron will be easily formed students, already one of the point discussed. So boron difluoride with sodium hydride react with boron only hydrogen. So sodium easily react with fluorine. So form of boron diborane will be formed and 6 time of sodium fluoride. So in all of the equation very easy, boron difluoride react with sodium hydride around 450 kelvins gives diborane, the single points form with boron trihalides. So same the equation is also reverse, borons with halogens group to give the boron trihalides. So example like that, do not book in yourself. Boron with fluorine, 3 mole of fluorine to give the boron trifluorides. Next will be that boron nitride. So boron burns with the dinitrogen, high temperature to form of boron nitride. So easily enter boron with nitrogen gas to give boron nitride. So form of oxide is the boron oxides, is the same like that, boron react with oxygen to form of above 900 Kelvin is to form of boron oxides with the acids. Example, boron react with the sulfuric acid to give the product is boric acid will be formed. So sulfuric acid, any acid, sulfuric acid will be added with boron, evolves of sulfur dioxide, something like that. The boron with the nitric acid to give the same product of boric acid. So evolve of the gas of add with nitric acid means nitric acid will be evolved, sorry, nitrogen dioxide evolved. Here also sulfuric acid will be added, sulfur dioxide gas will be evolved. So nitrogen dioxide gas evolved means will be boron added nitric acid. To give product will be same. What is the product is boric acid with alkali. So alkali boron with sodium hydroxide. To give the product hydrogen gas evolves, product is sodium borate. And uses of borons. So uses rocket fuel igniter and present in the cell wall of plant, neutron absorbed in the nuclear reactor, eye drops, antiseptic, washing powder, most of uses of borons. So important point of view, examination point of view, and the important equations for exams, very important point of view, form of boron nitrate is the most of question will be asked, and with acids, alkalis and uses, important points. Next discuss borax. So borax molecular formula Na2B4O7 with decahydrate 10 times of water molecules. Borax obtained from calamanite ore in boiling with solution with sodium carbonate. So calamanite ore with sodium carbonate involved of water is the temperature reactions to give the product of borax, give calcium carbonate and calcium hydroxide. So this is a borax, another name sodium tetraboric acid. Sodium tetraboric acid is the borax. So properties, borax react with hot water to give the boric acid product. Same borax involved of the on heating of the process, decahydrate remove, give the borax, and next involved of heating, on heating continue to give the borax beads. Next borax with ammonium chloride. So borax with ammonium chloride to give the product is a boron nitrate. Boron nitrate and boron oxides. So and next with the acids. So same like that, the same product students. So with sulfuric acid, borax will be add sulfuric acid with water molecule to give the product is boric acid. Borax with hydrochloric acid with water molecules. So to give the product is boric acid. Same like that, boron with sulfuric acid, nitric acid, product is boric acid. Here so borax with sulfuric acid, nitric acid involved to water molecule will be add. So to give the product is boric acid students. So uses, it is used in the identifications of colored metal ions and enamels and glass used, important like that the borax glasses, and used of the flux of metallurgy, used of the good preservative of borax. So important nation points, with borax with acids, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid, and next will be on heating process with ammonium chloride with borax. So how to the prepare boron in boron nitrate, how to the prepare borax in boron nitrate. So some different equation will be comparison, very important. Boron nitrate form in borons, boron nitrate form in based on borax react with ammonium chloride to give the product is boron nitrate. Same like that the acid students, boron with the acids to give product boric acid. So borax with acids to give the product is boric acid students. So important. So easily trick, you will be comparison, you will be form equation, so easily memory. So some type of you will be trick, you will be uses comparisons of boron and borax. And next important preparations of borax in the calamanite ores in preparations. So importance, boron uses, borax uses, and acids with ammonium chlorides with preparations in from borax. Thank you to all students.